नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल स्टडी एग्ज़ाम में। तो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आपके सामने आज हम लेके आए हैं यहाँ से ट्रिपल सी यानी कि कंप्यूटर के बेसिक नॉलेज के बारे में हम आपको यहाँ पे बताने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास होने वाली है दोस्तों। यहाँ पे मैं टोटल आपके लिए इस वीडियो के लिए फ्रेंड्स इसमें मैंने 50 क्वेश्चन रखे हैं। टोटल मैं 500 क्वेश्चंस को टोटल डिस्कस करूंगा, जो कि फ्रेंड्स आपके लिए आरआरबी जेईई सीबीटी 2 में बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट साबित होंगे। और ट्रिपल सी का जो एग्ज़ाम आपको आने वाले हाल ही में 7 अगस्त में है। और फ्रेंड्स, ये जो भी आप लोग के हर मंथ जो ट्रिपल सी के एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फायदेमंद साबित होंगे। और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप एचएससी का भी एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं तो उसमें भी आपके लिए इससे रिलेटेड बहुत क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उसमें फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि मैंने ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनालिसिस करके आपको लिए यहाँ पे बेसिक कंप्यूटर के बहुत ही मेन क्वेश्चंस डाले हैं, जो कि ज़्यादातर रिपीट होते हैं एग्जाम्स में। तो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए फ्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ते हैं वीडियो के साथ। उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगा, जो लोग इस चैनल पे नए हैं वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर दें। तो जो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर थ्योरी इज समराइज्ड बाय विच लॉ? Which law? Metcalfe's law, Bell's law, Murray's first law, or Groove's law? The correct answer is C, the Murray's first law. Murray's first law is the correct answer. That the improvement of computer hardware theory is summarized by the Murray's first law. Okay. Next question. The most widely used computer used is solid state disk, external disk, internal hard disk, or the mouse. The correct answer is it's C, the internal hard disk. The most widely used computer device is internal hard disk. Okay. Next question. Dash are the software which is used to do a particular task. What? Operating system, program, data, or the software? The correct answer is it's B, the program. Program are the software which is used for to do a particular task. Okay. Next question. Who is the father of modern computer? Abraham Lincoln, James Gosling, Charles Babbage, or the Gordon E. Murray? The correct answer is it's C, the Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the correct answer for this question. ठीक. How many generations of computer we have? 6, 7, 5, or 4? The correct answer is it's C, 5 generation. Okay, 5 generation computer we have. Next question. Control the way in which the computer system functions and provides a means by which users can interact with the computer. The operating system, the motherboard, the platform, or the application software. The correct answer is it's the operating system. Operating system is the controls the way in which the computer system functions and provides the means by which user can interact with the computer. Okay. Next question. The difference between the people with access to computers and the internet and those without this access is known as what? Digital divide, internet divide, cyberway divide, or the web divide? The correct answer is it's A, the digital divide. Okay, digital divide is the correct answer. The difference between the people with the access to computer and the internet and those without the access is known as digital divide. Next question. All of the following are the example of real security and the privacy risk except viruses, hackers, spam, or identity theft. The correct answer is it's C, the option spam. Spam is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Next question. The term Pentium is related to what? DVD, hard disk, microprocessor, or the mouse? The correct answer is it's option C, the microprocessor. Microprocessor, the term Pentium is related to the microprocessor. Next question. What does the HTTP stands for? HTTP stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. The correct answer is option B, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into the tracks and the sectors, allotting, crashing, formatting, or the tracking. The correct answer is it's B, the crashing. Crashing is the correct answer. Which computer memory is best for storing programs and the data currently being processed by the CPU? Internal memory, mass memory, non-volatile memory, PROM? The correct answer is it's option A, in the internal memory. Internal memory is the correct answer for this option. What type of software creates a smaller file that is faster to transfer over the internet? Compression, fragmentation, encapsulation, or unzipped? The correct answer is it's option A. Option A is the correct answer, the compression. Okay, next question. Which of the following is used for the close a tab on a browser? CTRL plus Y, CTRL A, CTRL W, or CTRL T? The correct answer is CTRL plus W. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a component of the central processing unit of the computer? Universal serial bus, uninterrupted power supply, CU, or both A and B? The correct answer is option D, both A and B is the correct answer. When cutting and pasting, cutting section is temporarily stored in dashboard, clipboard, hard drive, or diskette. The correct answer is it's B, the clipboard. Clipboard is dead when the cutting and pasting and cutting section is temporarily stored in, okay, clipboard. How can move between two or more Excel files opened by using the CTRL plus tab, CTRL plus page up, CTRL plus page down, or CTRL plus F9? The correct answer is it's CTRL plus tab. Okay. Next question. To open the find window, F1, F2, F3, or F5? The correct answer is it's option D, the F5. F5 is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is the execution of at least two different programs simultaneously. What? Multiprocessing, multiprogramming, recovery, or the integrity? The correct answer is it's option A, multiprocessing. Multiprocessing is the execution of at least two different programs simultaneously. So the correct answer is option A. Okay. Next question. Dash is the mechanism by which all content in a specified storage area are written as output. Scheduling, logging, jumping, or dumping. The correct answer is it's D, the dumping. Dumping is the mechanism by which all content in a specified storage areas are written as output. Okay. Next question. The first generation computer are what? For circuitry. Vacuum tube, transistor, integrated circuits, large scale integration. The correct answer is it's A, vacuum tube. Vacuum tube is the correct answer. The first generation computers are vacuum tube for circuitry. Okay. Next question. Next question. The period of first generation computer is what? 1940 to 56, 1940 to 58, 1950 to 1960, or 1960 to 2000. The correct answer is it's D, 1940 to 1956. Option A is the correct answer. इस ड्यूरेशन के बीच में जो हमारा फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर था 1940 से लेकर 1956 के बीच में हमारा फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर आया था. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The period of second generation computer is what? 1956 to 1964, 1956 to 1963, 1957 to 70, or 1958 to 1963? The correct answer is it's option B, the 1956 to 1963. Okay friends, so second generation का हमारा आया था option B में. ये 1956 से लेकर 1963 तक, 1956 to 1963 तक. ठीक. Next question. The period of third generation computer is 1964 to 74, 64 to 77, 64 to 75, or 1970 and above. The correct answer is it's option C, 1964 to 1975. Okay. So the correct answer is it's C. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. E period of fourth generation computer is from what? 1975 to 1995, 1975 to 89, 75 to 2000, or none of these? The correct answer is it's B, 1975 to 1989. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the correct format of the email address? Which of the following is the correct format of the email address? care@website.com, care@website@com, carewebsite.com, care.website.com. So friends, इसमें से करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? तो इसका सही आंसर है आपका फ्रेंड्स care@website.com. तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. ये फ्रेंड्स ऐसे ऐसे वैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फ्रेंड्स पूरे एग्जाम में. और फ्रेंड्स अगर आपने इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पे ध्यान नहीं दिया तो फ्रेंड्स आपके क्वेश्चंस गलत हो जाएंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स हर एक चीज़ पे फोकस कीजिए और अच्छे से इस चीज़ को तैयार कीजिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is an example of binary number? Which of the following is an example of binary number? Option A, option B, option C, or D? The correct answer is it's D, 100101. This is the binary code. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Next question. The basic unit of worksheet into which you enter data is Excel is called column, box, table, or the cell. The correct answer is it's D, cell. Cell is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. What is e-commerce? buying and selling international goods, buying and selling products and services over the internet, buying and selling products and services not found in store, or buying and selling computer products. So the correct answer is it's B, buying and selling the products and services over the internet, that is the e-commerce. Okay? Next question. The process of transferring the files from computer on the internet to your computer is called downloading, FTP, forwarding, or uploading. The correct answer is it's option A, downloading. Downloading is the correct answer. Next question. VLSI technology is used in which generation computer? First, second, third, or the fourth? The correct answer is it's option D, fourth generation. Okay? VLSI technology used in the fourth generation computer. Next question. Different types of modern digital computers come under which generation? Fourth, third, second, or the fifth? The correct answer is it's option D, the fifth. Okay? In fifth generation. Okay, friends? Next question. What computer are used for the fastest type of computer that can perform complex operation at very high speed? Micro, mini, mainframe, or the super? So the correct answer is option D. The supercomputers are the fastest computer type of computer that can perform the complex operation at a very high speed. Okay. Next question. One of the input devices computer are keyboard, OS, pen drive, or the cable. The correct answer is it's A keyboard. Okay. Keyboard is the correct answer. The main working memory used for the computer are RAM, ROM, DVD, or the CD. The correct answer is it's option A, the RAM. RAM is the main working memory used by the computer. Okay. Bluetooth technology allows satellite communication, single signal transmission on mobile phones only, wireless communication between equipments, landline phones and mobile phones communication, landline phones to mobile phone communication. So the correct answer is option C, the wireless communication between the equipments. The Bluetooth technology allows wireless communication between the equipments. Okay. Next question. All of the following statement concerning files are true except what? Files should be organized in folder, files are stored in RAM, files can generated from an application, or D, a file is a collection of related piece of information stored together for easy references. The correct option is it's option B, files are stored in RAM. So the correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Next question. The operating system does all of the following except what? Provide a way for the user to interact with the computer, enable users to perform a specific task such as document editing, manage memory and storage, or option D, the manage the central processing unit. The correct answer is it's B, the enables users to perform a specific task such as document editing. Okay. Next question. Verification of a login name and use password is known as what? Configuration, authentication, accessibility, or the logging in. The correct answer is it's A, the configuration. Okay. Configuration is the correct answer that verification login password is known as. Okay. All of the following statement concerning Windows are the true except A, toolbar and scrollbar are features of window, or windows are an example of command driven environment, or C, windows can be resized and repositioned on the desktop, or D, more of the one window can open at a time. So the correct answer is it's B, the windows of an example are command driven environment. Okay. RAM stands for what? Random access memory, read only memory, read access memory, or read at memory. The correct answer is it's option A, the random access memory. RAM stands for random access memory. ओके फ्रेंड्स इसमें एक क्वेश्चन और पूछता है, ये रोम का पूछ लेगा आपका, रोम क्या होता है? तो फ्रेंड्स आप लोग इसको कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताएं कि रोम का फुल फॉर्म क्या है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, रैम का तो पूछता ही पूछता है, आप लोग रोम का कमेंट करके बताएं कि रोम को हम लोग इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है. ओके चलिए फ्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ते हैं. A special type of memory chip that can hold software that can read but not written to A, RAM, B, motherboard, C, ROM, or D, CPU. The correct answer is it's C, the ROM. ROM is the correct answer. The special type of memory chips that hold the software that can read but not written is ROM. A byte consists of how many bits? 8, 9, 10, or 16? The correct answer is it's 8. A byte consists of 8 bit. ठीक. Next question. A special type of program that loads automatically when you start your computer, MS Office, Internet, OS, or none of these. The correct answer is it's C, the OS, operating system. Okay. Next question. Finite number of sequential instructions are called flowchart, control flow, program flow, or algorithm. The correct answer is it's D, the algorithm. Algorithm is the finite number sequence instrument, which is called as algorithm. Okay, finite number sequential instructions are algorithm. What is the commonly used unit of measuring the speed of data transmission? Megahertz, characters per second, nanoseconds, or bits per second? The correct answer is it's D, the bits per second. Next question. The base of hexadecimal number system is 2, 8, 10, or 16. The correct answer is it's D, the 16. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. The operating system manages, processes, memory, disk, and IO devices, or all of the above. The correct answer is the operating system manages all of the above: processes, memory, disk, and input-output devices. And so all of the option is the correct. Option D is the correct option. Next question. Data that are accumulated and processed in a group called A. Group processing, B. Time sharing, C. Batch processing, D. None of these. The correct answer is it's the C. The batch processing. Data that accumulate and process the group is called batch processing. ठीक. अगला क्वेश्चन. Which of the following are the true about firewalls? Follow a set of rules, filter network traffic, can be either a hardware or software, or all of the above. The correct answer is it's D, all of the above. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आपके 50 क्वेश्चन पूरे होते हुए. तो फ्रेंड्स थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया. और फ्रेंड्स अगर आपने यहाँ तक पूरी वीडियो देख ली है तो फ्रेंड्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें फ्रेंड्स. इससे हमारा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है फ्रेंड्स. और फ्रेंड्स इस वीडियो का मैंने लाइक रखता हूँ कम से कम 100 से 200 लाइक के बीच में यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए आप लोग. और वीडियो पसंद आया तो फ्रेंड्स थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जय हिंद, जय भारत. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.